Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for some new markers for your office, then I want to show you these from Sharpie. I really like these permanent markers because they write like a pen and they have an ultra fine tip, so they're super precise and they're really awesome for not only writing, but you can also use them for drawing, and they work on most surfaces and they are awesome. So this is a 12 pack and this is the red color. So this is what they look like. They basically feel and look like a regular pen, and of course they are a permanent marker. They have this nice fine tip which is super precise, so you can write with these. They are super comfortable to write with, and I am not a teacher, but I imagine that if I was, this would be my grading pen of choice because it writes really well. You've got that bright bold red color, and overall these are just awesome. They write super well, very smooth, the color is nice and vibrant, and I think you're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.